For number 3, we're going to be adding up some fractions. Before we start, remember the denominators, or these bottom numbers, need to be the same before we can add them up. So for the first one, we see we have 2/10 over 60/100. Because these two bottom numbers aren't the same, we're going to have to add something to make them equivalent fractions. So the first thing we're going to do is add a 0 to make this 100. But whatever we add to the bottom number, we need to make sure we add to the top number. So I'm also going to add a 0 to the numerator. Now, because we have 100 at the bottom of both fractions, we're now able to add up the top numbers. We know the bottom number is going to stay 100 because the denominator always stays the same. But we need to add up these two. 20 plus 60 is 80. 80/100 is your answer. We're going to do the same thing down here. 1/10 plus 32/100. I'm going to add zeros. We know the denominator is going to stay 100. And then we just need to add up the numerators. (42/100) is your answer. We're going to do the same thing for the last one. 5/10 plus 26/100. We need to add a 0 to the bottom, and we need to add a 0 to the top. Again, 100, and then we're going to add up the numerators. (76/100) is your answer.